This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm coming to you today with the entry. This is for Cliff at GI Scale Mechanic. This is his group build he's going to have going on for motorcycles. Anything, I think it was 500cc above. And this is what I'm going to build. I'm going to be building MPC's 1/8 scale Dick Mann's Daytona winner. It is a Honda 750 CBR or something like that. I'm not for sure, but it's a vintage bike, and I love the vintage bikes. Here's the side of it. Let's see, y'all can see that. I thought about building this one right here. I got it. I also got some choppers and some Tamiya bikes, but I figured on the Tamiya bike, I figured a lot of people are going to build that because they'll be so, and they will be easier. It'll be a lot easier and probably be nicer bike, but I figured I'd challenge myself with this MPC. I know it's probably going to be a beast, but I love the vintage bike and I wanted to do a vintage bike, so this is the one I'm going to do. And here's the inside of it. Like I said, it's never been touched. Everything's still sealed on the inside. So this is my entry, and looking forward to it. And I got the toy build coming up too. So, all right, guys, thank you.